What's up, Chinese? Today we've got an insane recipe. It's so tasty and it's part of the tasty shit recipe series that we're going to be doing. So what we've got is some butternut, some potatoes and rice noodles with a little bit of soy sauce, and we are going to be making butternut and potato rice noodles. So now I'm going to peel and cut the potatoes and the squash. For the recipe we used 4 medium potatoes and a medium squash, and we boiled it for 40 minutes till the texture was nice and soft. Okay, so now comes the fun part. The potatoes and butternut is boiled, so we're just going to drain some of the water so that it doesn't form the blender up too much. How much we've got there? I'd say about 700-800 ml of water is fine. You can use boiling water from the kettle if you want, just to measure it, but we don't have a kettle, so we're just using it like this. There we go, that looks fine. And now it goes into the blender. Let's make it a bit messy, because we're just lazy ass. Put this on so it retains some heat, and then we are going to boil the noodles.
The rice noodles are cooked.
And this is the best part of the video, the part that we've all been waiting for. Watch as the magic occurs. Oh my god, look at that goodness. Oh. Look how beautiful that sauce is. Oh. Perfection. Perfection.
We did not add curry, but you can.
We didn't add curry, but you can if you want. But we're just going to add the soy sauce. That makes it ultimate for clean eating. It's all about the tasty shit. Look at that. The thickness is just perfect, like consistency. And time for the soy sauce. We don't play around with the soy sauce. Just go full gas. Oh, look at that. It's amazing.
Wow.
And that is just going to taste absolutely incredible. Alright. Creamy butternut noodles done.